What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we'll be working up with the shipping tab. Okay, so first of all, we have the shipping zone, we have the shipping options, and then we have the shipping classes. Okay, so if someone is in Pakistan, and then we will apply him a flat rate. Okay, and if someone is not in Pakistan and is from any other country where we ship to, that we selected in the general tab, okay, then we will be charging in a different flat rate. Okay, so if we just come here and then we hit edit right now, okay, and then you can see that if someone in Pakistan, we charge him a flat rate. I just come here and I just hit this, and you can see that we are charging him $10. So this is taxable as well. Okay, so this is what I mean exactly. If I just go back and then I go to shipping options right here, okay, and then here you can see, first let's discuss it. Let's discuss the shipping classes, because you guys already know about it, that if someone is not in Pakistan, then we will charge him $50, and if someone is in Pakistan, then we will charge him for $10. Okay, so this is what I mean. So now let's go ahead and let's just work with these shipping options. Okay, shipping classes. Shipping classes are mean that the more shipping cost that they can add. So let's just come here and you can see the calculations. Enable the shipping calculator on the card page. Hide shipping cost until an address is entered. So when we go to the proceed to checkout, and until the address is entered, the shipping cost will not be appearing. But I would not recommend you to do that. Make sure that you add the shipping rate, okay, in here, so that if someone wants to buy it, he will buy it. And if someone doesn't want to buy it and he'd be like, oh my god, they're charging the shipping rate as well, I don't want to buy it from them. Okay, so there are some customers like that. So let's just go ahead, let's just come here and you can see, make sure to just uncheck this, then make sure that this is not checked. Then we have the shipping destination, default to customer shipping address, default to customer billing address, force shipping to the customer billing address. Okay, so this means that if only the person who is buying, he should only ship to his own country. He should not ship to a different shipping country. Make sure that you select to default to billing address, that if someone wants his address to be shipped to any other country, then he can check the option in the checkout page. Okay, so if I just click here and I just move to the checkout page, okay, and then here I have to enter the information. So then this will be an option. If I click here, then only I can ship to a different address. So make sure that this is selected, because this is normal. If you select it, then the person also has to enter the shipping rates, the billing rates, and so much, and this will create a whole lot of things. So make sure that you ask your customer not so much, but a little bit less. Okay, so we are asking just first name, company name, country, this address, and phone number. That's all. Okay, so then we have debug mode. Enable shipping debug modes to show matching shipping zones and to bypass the shipping rate cache. So this means that if you want to debug something or something like that, then you can enable the debug mode. But don't just work with this. This is not much important. Okay, so then we have the shipping classes right here. Now this is interesting. Okay, what is this? Let's just bring my mouse here, and you can see shipping classes can be used to group products of similar types and can be used by some shipping methods, such as flat rate, to provide different rates to different classes of products. Okay, what I mean, basically, if we want to ship a cell phone, and if we want to ship a piece of paper, okay, then for cell phone, there is that the cell phones are expensive and that we should invest in a bit of shipping. And if you want to sell a piece of paper, then I don't think so. If that doesn't really matter, if it doesn't get shipped or if gets harmed or something like that, then who cares about the insurance and something like that. So this mean exactly. Then you can assign the shipping classes. So if we want to sell a cell phone or something like that, then there should be something like that. So if I want to add a shipping class name, okay, and that is going to be like if someone buy expensive products, okay, and then let's hit add shipping class. Okay, and if someone buy medium products, then this. Okay, so we have expensive products and then we have this. So let's hit save shipping classes. Okay, now let me show you how this is gonna work. Let's just go to shipping zones. Okay, and let's just come here to Pakistan. Okay, and if someone is buying the expensive shipping products, okay, if someone is buying the expensive shipping products, then the expensive shipping cost is going to be this plus this. Okay, so we will charge him extra $50. Okay, and if someone is buying medium priced products, like if someone is buying shirts, then we will charge him $20, because shirts also are expensive and something like that, but they are in the medium category. So you can just leave that. If a product is between $5,000 to $10,000, then we'll charge him extra $50. And if a product is between $100 to $1,000, then we'll charge him $20. So this can be like the thing. So then we have no shipping class cost. Okay, this is like enter a cost or sum. This means that if no shipping class is added, okay, if nothing is the class in the product, then how much we want to add. So we want to add nothing. Okay, only this will be added. So then we have calculation type per class per order. Charge shipping for the most expensive shipping class. Okay, so then we have this right here, and then we have charge shipping for each shipping class individually. Obviously, this one should be here, so that if we have two phones right here, and then we would charge him $50. So this is me like 4 phones and something like that. So let's just hit save changes right here. And there we go. Now what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to come here and make sure that everything is saved. Now let's come here and let's go back to our site. Let's just open this up in the view card, and you can see that we are just adding this flat rate. Okay, nothing is added. If I just go to edit page, okay, and if this product is so much expensive, no. I want to open this product right here. Okay, and since let's suppose that this product is so expensive, so like this product is for $250, okay, or $25,000, then in the shipping tab, I want to select the shipping class. So I want to select the shipping class to be expensive, that this will come under expensive. So if this product, I have chosen that this product is expensive and person has to pay more $50, okay, then what will happen? If I go to view product right now, and then I go to the card page right here, and then I click here, view card, then you can see that if I come here and I hit update totals, okay, I have to do it, I have to just remove it from here, and then I have to return to shop, update, add to cart. Let's see if we have updated the product. I think that we haven't updated the product from there. Let's just hit update, edit product. Let's just go down. Let's just go to shipping right here, and expensive is selected. Okay, cool. I'm gonna come here, and you can see that if I just open up my cart right here, still it's just coming like this. I enter the pass this right here, and you can see that on entering this, my shipping rate, my postal code, you can see that this is costing me $60 because I have chosen the class, and that is $50. Okay, so $50 is being added, and also the shipping cost is being added. So what this mean, that if I just come here, and you can see first this will be added. This is the most important amount. This will be added whether you buy anything, whether you buy the most expensive thing, whether you buy a normal thing, whether you buy a medium thing. This will be added. But if you are buying a most expensive thing, then extra $50 will be added. So this is what I mean exactly in the cart page. You can see that the $10 is already added because I'm buying something and I'm in Pakistan. Okay, and I am also buying the expensive product. Okay, that is why the $50 are extra that is being added. So this is I mean exactly. Okay, so this is how you can create the classes for like that. For mobile phone, you can add the mobile phone cost, and for mobile phone you can cost them more, like expensive and something like that. Okay, so let's just go back to the shipping zones, and same like this, you can also just manage this one right here. Okay, you come here, you just hit edit, and then for expensive, you're gonna charge them $150, and for medium, you're gonna charge them $100. So it's gonna be like 50 plus 150, that will be 200. Let's just save. Let's just come here and let's select the Norway. Update totals, and here we go. This is what I said. Okay, so this guy is not from Pakistan. And this guy is also entered postal code, and you can see that the class that has been added in here is expensive products. That is why we are referring to him that. Okay, so let's just come here and let's just remove the class. And when we will remove the class, okay, let's just come here and let's select the medium product. So if it is a medium product, then we will charge him $100. So let's just come here and you can see that in the cart, if I just come here, I just hit view cart right here, and you can see we should charge him $150. Okay, so because we have changed the class, to be medium. How it is applying, if I just come here, I hit this, you can see 100 is being applying for medium products and 50 is the cost. That is the main cost. Okay, so same like this, I can just come here, I can just remove the class from here. Okay, let's come here to shipping. Let's just remove the class. Okay, let's come here and let's hit update. So for no shipping class cost is 0. So only 50 will be applied. Okay, let's come here and let's search for this. Okay, this is still 150. Let's come here and let's refresh this. You can see only 50 will be right here because we haven't assigned any class right here. This is the normal product. Okay, so this is how the shipping works, and this works pretty well. That is why most people use this, and most people do not know that this is how these type of shipping classes work. Okay, so now that is why I told you to please concentrate and please do not miss this section, because this section is the basis of everything. Okay, you have to understand this, and then so that there will be no confusions later on. Okay, so thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video, we will be working up with the checkout tab. So stay tuned and bye-bye.